In Creo 11, now the simplified beam lattices can be adjusted along the warp feature. This functionality will allow a Creo user to leverage the benefits of simplified lattices. Now, when using the warp feature, all the internal beams of such lattice will adjust accordingly. In this example, we created this octagonal beam-based lattice and set its representation as simplified. Then, if we use the warp feature, selecting all the bodies, and using the twist command, when we use the dragger to modify the angle, we can see in the dynamic preview that all the simplified beams of the lattice are being also twisted as a structure, okay, as a structure in general. So the benefits of this new functionality will give you more flexibility to create lattices that follow complex shapes. The simplified lattices now can be used in more use cases. And this is allowing you to do faster simulation by using such simplified lattices.